Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make a macrame diamond pattern using half hitch knots to get a cool braided effect. The way of tying these diamonds is great if you would like an alternative to using double half hitch knots. Let's get started. Start by attaching 7 ropes to your dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Take the 4 cords directly in the middle and tie one half square knot. Now take the left middle cord, and with this cord we're going to tie it around the next 2 cords to the left using a half hitch knot. So send it behind those 2 cords to form your loop, twist it around, and pull it through and pull it tight. Now drop the cord we were just using. We're going to add the next cord to the left for our group of 3. Take the cord on the right of that section and tie the same knot. And we just repeat, so drop the cord you just used, add a new cord, then the right of the section of 3 ties around the other 2 cords. Now go back to the middle. Take the middle right cord and tie the same knot around the next 2 cords to the right. Drop that cord we just used, take the next cord to join the 3. Cord on the left ties around the other 2 cords. Keep repeating all the way down to the right. Now we're going to come back to the left side and we're going to be working from left to right. So the cord on the far left ties around the next 2 cords. Drop the cord we just used, add a new cord to the group of 3, and repeat. Once you get back to the middle, we're going to come in and do the right to left. Connect the 4 cords together with a half square knot. Our little braided diamond is now complete. We can repeat this pattern for a repeating diamond. Take the 3 cords in the left center and just repeat the same process over one more time. Just like that. You can also fill your diamonds with your favorite knot as well, or leave them empty as I showed here. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.